Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So once again, welcome to my channel. So as you know, my channel name is Vivek Pandey. Yeah, it is my name. So I kept this name as my channel name also. So in the series of problem solving, today we are going to discuss about perfect number. What it is? Perfect number. So let's see what are the examples of this. So first we'll see what is the definition of it. Okay, so first we are going to see the definition. So the definition is, it is simple. A number, it can be any number, which is equal to sum, which is equal to what? Sum of all its factors. All its factors. Factors means what? Which is divisible. Yeah, by multiplying we can get the same number. So factors except the given number, except given number, is known as perfect number. Okay, so now I guess you have not understood it yet. No problem, with one example you will be understanding it very clearly. Yeah, so now if I'm saying here 8, so what are the factors? We need to understand what are the factors of this. So 1 is a factor, because if I'm multiplying 1 with 8, yes, again 2 is a factor somewhere. 2 is also involved in making this 8, yes, and then 4 is also involved, 4, and 8 itself is involved, 8 into 1. So what are the numbers involved in making this 8? These all are what? These all are factors, we can say. Yes, yeah, these all are what? Factors. Okay, so now when we understood this is the factors, now what it is saying here is, when we add the factors but not exactly the number which is given. Okay, so let me give you an example. Now I have all this. Now when I'm doing the sum of this, like 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus, I should not add 8, because 8 is already, it is what it is said in the definition, except except we should not accept the given number. Given number is 8, so we are not considering 8. Now what is the sum of this? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So it means what? 8 is not equal to 7, so it is not perfect number. Perfect number. Perfect number, yes, correct. Now let's see which one is perfect number. If it is not perfect number, then which one is perfect number? Like for example 6. So what are the factors of a 6? 6 factors, yes. Now 6 factor is 1, obviously 1 for everything, and 2, and then 3, and then 6 also. But now as per the statement, 6 we should not include. Okay, so now here 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what is the sum of this? 1 plus 2, it is 3 plus 3, it is 6. Absolutely. So the 6 is equal to 6. So what we can say, this is perfect number. Perfect number. Yes. So this is the concept, guys. So I guess you have understood this, but even if you have not understood, I will prove with one more example. So let's understand one more example. See here, we have 28. 28. Yes. So can you tell me what are the factors of 28 in this box? 1, absolutely 1. Then again we have 2. Yes. So I'm just writing here 1, 2, 1 into 28. Yes. 2 into 14. Yes. Now after 2, what we have? With 4 also we can get 4 7 ja 28. Again 7. Yes. Now 7 and anything else 8. With 8, in 8 table no, 9 table no. In what table? By what we are multiplying we'll be getting this? Yes, 14, right? 14 into 2. 14 to 28. And again the number itself 28. But we should not include 28. Yes. So I'm not including this. Now what I need to do, I need to add up all this. Plus, plus, and then here also addition, here also addition. Now let's calculate this. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 14. So obviously it is what? 28. So what we can say? Yes, 28 is, what is 28? It is perfect number. Understood? So I hope you all understood with this example. Yeah. So now let's try to code and check how we can get it. Let's, yeah. So now let me open this PyCharm, or we can go with this also, ideally. Or we are making everything in one place now. So this is better, I guess. Let me execute it. Yeah. So what I have to do, I need to create one file, Python file with the name perfect number. Done. Now here I need to code. Now let's see how we are going to code. Now what I need to do is I need to ask a user to enter a number. For that we already know what to do. N is equal to int of input of, enter the number. Done. So once the user is entered a number, now what I need to do, I need to do like I'm taking a for loop for I in a range. So from where to where I need to take, I should not take the same number. Okay. So if I should not take the same number, it means what? In the range, absolutely it will take one less than that number, right? So for example, I'm taking from 1 to n only. If I have to include that n also, then I would have written n plus 1, but I'm not writing n plus 1, only n. Okay. So now in this, what I need to do is, in this I'm checking which one is multiplied or what is divisible by that. Yes. So how we can check that? If condition, if my n is divisible, means how? Mod operator of I, then divisible means what? It should get 0. So if this condition is true, if this condition is true, it means what? We are checking here factors. What are the factors here? Okay. So if this is true, then what we are doing here, sum, we are taking what? Sum and adding it, sum plus I. So whatever it is, yes, if this is true, if this condition is true, then this block will get executed, I plus I. So now if the sum, we are getting same sum, so here if I'm coming out of that, so yes, what I got my sum. Now in this, sum is equal to what? N. Now if it is true, then I have to print what? It is perfect number. Else it is not perfect number. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So now we got this, but now there is one. Do you think it will be running? Because let's try to execute. There is one error, but I wanted you to show. Run this. Yeah. So what I'm running here is, it is asking me to enter a number. For example, if I'm entering 5, it is giving me error. See here. What is the error it is giving? Unsupported operand type. So yeah, built-in function or the method and int. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is sum is equal to sum plus I. What is this sum actually? Did I have declared anywhere this sum? So this operand, it is not supported. Yes. Either I have not given any any quotations for this so that it will become string. So for this, what I have to do is I need to, generally what we do for the sum, initially we take 0, right? Yes. So now our problem is solved. Now let's execute this once again. It is asking us for a number. I'm entering 5. See, it is clearly saying that it is not a perfect number. Yes. Now in the similar manner, once again I'm executing, and this time 6. Yes, absolutely. 6 is what? Perfect number. Now in the same way, let me execute with another number. If I'm taking here 28, so what is the output I'm getting? 28 is also a perfect number. Perfect. So fine. Now this is good. So I hope you all understood this. And if you have understood this, now I have a question for you. Try to check whether this is a perfect number or not. 4, 9, 8. This is A. B. 8, 1, 2, 9. And C is 8, 1, 2, 8. D is 4, 9, 6. So in this, what are the perfect numbers and which are not perfect numbers? In this, you need to comment below which one is perfect number. Which one is perfect number? Okay. So your comment should be like, you have to do it manually. You have to check with the all the factors, and then you have to do. And for the cross check, you can use the formula. You can use my code. Fine. So I guess guys, you have understood. So please do subscribe, like, and share to your friends also. If you feel like if I'm if I'm if I'm providing value, then please do like, subscribe, and share. That's it. Yes, so that's it for today. Thank you guys. Again, we will be meeting again on the next day with a different number. Bye.